If your sound is not working in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a really common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling Chrome or changing anything complicated. We're going to start with the simplest checks first, then move into Chrome settings, and finally a reset option if nothing else works. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is the system volume mixer. Sometimes Chrome is not the problem at all, and the sound is actually muted at the operating system level. To make sure Chrome is active, play any video or audio file in Chrome first. This helps Windows recognize the browser as an app that should appear in the mixer. Then right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer. Once the mixer opens, look for Google Chrome in the list of applications. If you see Chrome muted, turn the mute off right away. Also, make sure the volume slider is turned up high enough to hear audio clearly. A lot of sound issues are fixed right here, so this is always worth checking first. If the volume mixer looks fine, the next step is to unmute the specific website. Chrome can mute individual tabs or websites, which means one site may have no sound while everything else works normally. Open the website where the audio is missing, then right-click the tab at the top of the browser. If the option appears, click Unmute Site. Once you do that, try playing the video or audio again and see if the sound comes back. This is especially useful if only one website is silent while other sites are working perfectly. If that still doesn't solve it, the next place to check is Chrome's site permissions. You may have accidentally blocked websites from playing sound, or changed a permission without realizing it. To fix that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down until you find Sound and open it. Here, make sure the option that says Sites can play sound is turned on. If this setting is off, Chrome will block audio across websites, so turning it back on can immediately restore sound. Now, if your sound still is not working, the issue may be caused by corrupted cache, cookies, or even a broken extension. This is where clearing browsing data can help. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In the time range, you can usually choose All Time for the most thorough fix. Make sure to select Cookies and other site data, and also select Cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. This can remove temporary files that are interfering with playback, and it often fixes strange browser behavior, including audio problems. If you try all of that and Chrome still has no sound, the last step is to reset Chrome settings. This is a stronger fix because it restores Chrome's configuration back to its original defaults. To do this, go to Settings, then open Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then Confirm by clicking Reset Settings again. This will help remove settings issues that may be blocking sound, without deleting your important browser data like bookmarks in most cases. After the reset, reopen Chrome and test the audio again. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix sound not working in Google Chrome quickly and safely. Start with the volume mixer, then check the website mute option, then review site permissions, and finally clear data or reset Chrome if needed. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Chrome problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.